guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, well heck, I'm new here. My name is Angel, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of this Beetles Brighten Your Style Gel Polish Kit. I got this for Christmas on one of their sales, and I haven't opened it yet, but of course it was on sale for a pretty good price. Let's see what's inside. First off, we have some got some metal, gold. I don't even know what they are. Pieces of metal. Anyways, some gold and silver and white stars. Kind of cute. We got some rhinestone gel. Oh, that's good because I did buy another brand, so I'm curious to see how this one is. It's just a small sample size tube, only 8 grams in it. Oh, another little liner brush. I guess you can never have too many of those. And a guide and some nail stickers, stars and moons, butterflies. Alright, let's see what colors we got in here. Now, if you didn't watch my first video, I did unbox one of these, and it was a different kit, and I can link that below if you'd like to check that out. And one thing I do like about these is that for a pretty reasonable price, you can try out, lots of different colors. So just like the other kit that I bought, it comes with the top coat, the shiny, and a top coat matte, and a base gel. And let's unbox some colors. These are pretty small bottles, like I said. But for someone that's just starting out, like me, I don't think there's a problem with that. Get rid of that. Okay. So, once again, I got these little swatchy sticks. They're from Amazon. I swear they're straight from China, but they'll do the job. Alright, let's start. This is A906. It's pretty thick. It's a pretty lilac color. As I go, I'm just going to pop them over to my lamp. See what the next color is. It's gray. Now, these all look to me to be one coat. That's all you'll need. Which is pretty good since you only get a little bit of it. Next color we got never have too many metallics. It looks pretty nice. I'll have to look up on my Amazon page to see what the exact name of this kit's called. Oh, now here we have metallic gold. Nice. I should put a counter on the screen to say how many times I actually say nice in this video, because it seems like it's like never ending every time I open one. Oh, nice. Sound like a broken record. Ooh, wow. Oh, this one is so, I won't say nice. It's beautiful. This one's like blue sparkles. Nice. Oh, geez, I said nice again. Okay. Wow, we got a lot of glitter polishes so far. This one's black glitter. I don't know if you can notice that. I think those are all the glitter ones for now. So we have this pretty blue. Which do you guys prefer? Do you like the glitter polishes, or do you like the solid ones? Better stick that light on for a bit. Let's see what we got next. Ooh, another blue one. I kind of find it awkward to hold these. This part is so tiny. Oh, that's dark. Nice. So, all right, I wonder what the counter's up to. The nice counter. Next, we have a purple. That is very burny. Very, very burny. Not in a bad way. I have a 22-year-old, and I grew up watching Bernie, and it was very entertaining, to say the least. Did you guys have any kids? Did you remember, or do you remember any cartoons that you watched when you were a kid? Now, I was born in the 70s, 77, and when my daughter was young, Strawberry Shortcake and Care Bears and My Little Pony all came back into fashion, so I got to relive my childhood through her and buy all the My Little Ponies and Care Bears. It was great. And I still have them. I don't think I threw out one My Little Pony. Oh, this is so nice, this color. Oh, love it. Okay, some of these must be done by now. $9.04. I have to remember that number. That one's nice. Next, let's see what we got. A nude. Oh, there's something stuck to it. A cat hair, I think. I have 3 cats. They're my babies. And they're brats sometimes. It's pretty nice. Oh, there we go. Pretty nice again. Alright, open up the next batch. This one is $8.90. $8.90. I'm gonna have to look back at my video from yesterday to see the white that was in that kit, if they're the same colors. Just curious. Because we have another white. I imagine that they are the same colors or the same numbers since they're the same color. But interesting when you buy these kits and you only get the little bottles. I haven't even realized because I bought some of the bigger bottles, which I'll show in another video. Wonder how many duplicates I actually bought. This is $8.91, and I think this was my favorite from the first box that I opened. Iridescent. Pretty. We're almost through. Got a blue, like a periwinkle blue. Really good coverage for these. Let's see what shade of blue this one is. Nice. you see that hanging off of there? Like goopy. Oh, we're almost through them all. Do you guys shop on Amazon for your nail products? I have yet to try the Temu or the AliExpress or the Shein. I've yet to try those. Do you guys have good success finding stuff on there? Well, this color's different. That would have been good for Christmas time. This color. Really dark green. And last one. Black. I don't think I got a black in the other box. So at least I have one. That's good. Can you overcure things? I don't know. Well, guys, hope you liked that video, and I'll put a link to this box that I got here if it's still available. This one seemed to have a lot of glitter tones in it. Just set these all out here. The final look of them all. It's a good range. I actually prefer these colors to yesterday's colors that we got. Yeah, pretty nice. Pretty nice. All right. Okay, until the next video, I'll see you again later. Bye.